Ito para po ito sa edad na 10 years old to 40 years old. Plan K50. Sa mga gusto pong malaman kung ano yung pwede ninyong pag-ipunan o ma-avail sa edad na 30 years old. So Plan K50, pwede nyo po siyang simulan. At ito po ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Sana po ay matapos nyong panoorin. Who is Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder? So ako po pala si Coach Nilo C. Padrelan Jr. Okay. Kaiser International Health Group Inc. is a health maintenance organization, HMO company, duly accredited with the Department of Health, DOH, Bureau of Health Facilities and Services. Our company is likewise registered with the Security and Exchange Commission, or SEC, license number HMO-2017-04-R on June 8, 2004 as a healthcare provider with an authorized capital stock of 160 million. Okay? So Kaiser Board of Directors are seasoned experts in the medical fields and in the healthcare industry with its medical director, Dr. Leia Uyolo. Next. Short-term healthcare, ito yung healthcare or HMO na provided ng ating company sa trabaho kapag nagretiro na or nag-resign na sa trabaho, wala lang healthcare na magagamit. Pati OFW ay kapag umuwi ng Pilipinas, wala na ding HMO or healthcare na magagamit. Ang tanong, paano kung magkasakit ka? Paano yung gastusing medical sa hospital? So ayan po ang isang klase ng healthcare, short-term healthcare. Next, pangalawa is yung long-term healthcare. Ito yung healthcare o HMO na kailangan natin kapag tayo ay tumanda na, may magagamit sa panahong wala ng trabaho at kailangang magpagamot sa ospital at may magagamit na HMO at siyang sasalo ng gastusing medikal. Kapag may long-term healthcare, hindi tayo mag-aalala sa medical maintenance, kaya kaya nating ipagamot ang ating sarili nang hindi umaasa sa ibang tao or sa mga anak man or kamag-anak. So, meron tayong dalawang risk in life. What if we die too soon? Who will take care of my family? So, solution, life insurance. What if we live too long? Who will take care of me? Solution, investment, and long-term care. Ano po? So, ito yung ating Solid Financial Foundation. Simulan natin sa healthcare, life insurance, magbawas ng utang, magkaroon ng emergency fund, at investment. Ano po? So, Kaiser 3-in-1 Saving Plan Solution, may healthcare ka na to protect your health, life insurance to protect our family, investment to protect our money. Kaya 3-in-1 Saving Plan Solution siya. So, how Kaiser it works? 7 years na pag-iipunan. After nun, fully paid ka na. Tapos, maghintay ka na lang ng 13 years para sa waiting maturity. Ano po? 20 years ang policy maturity for or potential earnings. So, total 20 years po ang maturity investment. So, age 10 to 40, Plan K50. Para po yan sa 10 to 40 years old. So, panoorin nyo po. Mode of payment, meron po tayo niyan. Monthly premium, 2,941 pesos or 98 per day. So, mag-ipon ka ng 98 per day araw-araw. Meron ka ng 2,941 sa loob ng isang buwan. O kaya kung gusto mo, quarterly premium, 8,529 pesos. Semi-annual premium, 15,882 pesos. Annual premium, 29,411 pesos. Spot cash, kung gusto mo mag-spot cash, para wala ka nang isiping bayarin buwan-buwan, quarterly, semi-annual. Spot cash mo, kung may extra kang pera, ito 184,600 pesos. So, yung total contract price ng Plan K50 para sa edad na 10 to 40 years old, 205,875 pesos. Ano po? Age 10 to 40, Kaiser Plan K50, meron tayong policy fee na 500 pesos every year. Kung gusto nyo naman ng mag-annual ng spot cash, Total policy fee, 3,500 pesos for 7 years. Kung mag-spot cash na po kayo. Ano po? Kasama na po yung 3,500 na policy fee for 7 years. Total contract price ng Kaiser Plant K50, 205,875 pesos. So, annual premium, 29,411 pesos times 7. So, ito po yung total contract price. Times mo lang sa 7. Ito yung total contract price ng Kaiser Plant K50. Ano po? So, benefits after 1 year of payment up to 7 years na ikaw ay nag-iipon sa Kaiser. May pre-annual physical examination po kayo. Ito po, physical examination, chest x-ray, stool examination, routine analysis, complete blood count, pre-dental benefits, dental check-up, simple tooth extraction, cleaning, recementation of jacket, and minor adjustment of dentures. Hospitalization benefit, 50,000, may magagamit kayo taon-taon sa loob ng 7 years. Ano po? Annual benefit limit coverage. Accredited physician fees. Ano po? Meron tayong accredited physician fees, operating room, hospital intensive care, room and board of 600 per day. At kapag hindi mo nagamit itong 50,000 sa loob ng 7 taon na hindi ka na nagkakasakit or na-confine, may long-term care bonus tayo na 175,000 or 85% ng contract price on 28-year or maturity date. Doon po yun ibibigay, yung 175,000 pesos na 85% ng contract price. Kapag hindi mo nagamit itong hospitalization benefit limit na 50,000 taon-taon. Ano po? Benefits upon initial payment pa rin tayo after 7 years. Up to 7 years, sorry. May term life insurance po tayo na 225,000. Kung natural death, ang ikinamatay, may makukuha ang pamilya mo na 225,000 at malilipat sa primary beneficiary yung plan. Ano po? Additional accidental benefits, 225,000. Kapag ang ikinamatay accident, ang total ng insurance na makukuha ng pamilya ay 450,000. Ano po? So, 450,000 po makukuha ng pamilya kapag accident ang ikinamatay. 225,000 at 225,000. Ito po. So, kailangan, take note, dapat naka 2 years ka nang nag-iipon sa Kaiser para ma-covered ka nitong 225,000 term life insurance. Ito po yung policy kasi ng mga insurance or HMO. Matapos natin yung 2 years contestability period ng pag-iipon para ma-covered ka nitong term life insurance. Ano po? Tapos, waiver of installment due to death. Kapag ka, na-aksidente at namatay, bayad na po yung plan. Kahit 1 taon ka pa lang nagbabayad. Tapos, waiver of installment na premium due to total and permanent disability. Kapag talagang disabled na, hindi na makapagtrabaho dahil sa aksidente, pero hindi naman namatay, ay merong, kumbaga mag-waiver na po yung plan niya. Antay na lang maturity. Po. Meron pa rin term life insurance na 225,000 at 225 additional na accident. So, 450,000. Pa rin po siya, insured pa rin po. Ano po, ayan, kailangan 2 years contestability ay matapos ang pag-iipon. At malagpasan natin yung 2 years. Ano po? So, yun. Tapos, inclusion upon initial payment up to 7 years. Hindi po tayo covered pa ng pre-existing illnesses and conditions. Outpatient services or consultation, hindi pa rin covered yan. Dreaded diseases, maternity benefits, hindi pa rin. Sa loob ng 7 taon na tayo nag-iipon. Hindi pa po yan covered tayo. After 7 years pa po. So, ito po yung makukuha yung benefit card. Ano po? Benefit card, schedule of benefits, list of accredited hospital, payment of history of official receipt, contact of agreement policy. Diyan nyo po makikita yan sa OPMS, Online Policy Management System. Ito po makikita nyo sa portal natin. Ano po? After 7 years, pwede na tayo mag-request ng certificate of full of payment or Visa card. Sa email natin, may marireceive tayo niyan. i-apply lang po natin yan. Yung Visa card, wala pang laman yan. Sa 28 year pa yan. Pero pwede na tayong makapag-apply ng Visa card at certificate of full of payment. After 7 years of full of payment po yun. Yan po. Benefits from 8 year to 28 year. Ano pong makukuha nating benefits? May term life insurance pa rin tayo. Ayan po, na 225,000. Additional accident insurance. Benefit, 225,000. 450,000 po ang total ng insurance na makukuha ng pamilya. Na po in case something happen. Tapos may annual benefit limit tayo na 10% accumulated yearly health benefit and accumulated yearly health bonus. So, sa ika-8 years doon na po lumalago yung ating pera. Ano po? Ang 10% accumulated yearly. Annual benefit limit. So, meron pa rin tayong dental benefits at APE. Yun nga lang po ay discount na lang. At covered na rin po ang maternity benefits at inpatient at outpatient. Yung consultation at confinement yan. Covered na tayo sa ika-8 years at 28 years. Pwede na tayo magpakonsulta. Maternity sa babae. So, yan. May 10% yearly health bonus tayo na 5,000 sa ika-8 years up to 28 year. Ito po, annual yearly health benefit. 134,875. Yearly health bonus, 223,209. So, ayan po yung computation ng Kaiser. You'll receive yearly health bonus as long as the earnings per year Kaiser is not lower than 7%. So, ito po yung total niyan. So, yung total accumulated health benefit projected value natin sa ika-8 year to 28 year, ito po yung magiging healthcare fund ng Plan K50, 408,084 para sa edad na 10 to 40 years old. Benefits 8 year to 28 year, ayan. Ito na po yun, inclusion and covered. Pre-existing illnesses and condition. Covered na tayo at yung dreaded diseases, yung malalang sakit, tsaka maternity sa babae. Covered na tayo starting 8 to 28 year. 8 year to 28 year. On maturity date or 28 year onwards, life insurance, accidental death insurance until 28 year only lang po tayo covered. 28 year. So, paano pag namatay on 21 year? Yung natin, yung investment natin, yun ang ipapamana natin sa pamilya natin. Yun yung pwedeng maiwan. Kapag 21 year, 22 year, doon namatay. In case something happen. On maturity date or 28 year onwards, long-term care benefits guaranteed. So, ito po yung makukuha kung hindi ka nagkasakit sa loob ng 7 taon hanggang 20 years. Kung walang nangyari sa'yo, may makukuha kang 50,000, long-term care bonus na 175,000. Yan yung ma-receive mo. Unused accumulated yearly health benefit projected value, 134,875. Unused accumulated yearly health bonus projected value, 223,209. So, ang total po niyan is ito. Total unused accumulated yearly health benefit and bonus projected value, 408.84 pesos. Ito po yung healthcare fund mo. So, lumago na siya. Ito yung magagamit mong healthcare fund. Halimbawa, nagkasakit ka, na-confine ka, ang bill mo ay 500,000. So, ang masasagot lang ni Kaiser ay itong healthcare fund mo, 408,084. And then, the rest, sagot mo na or yung PhilHealth na ang bahala doon. Sagot na ng bulsa mo o yung PhilHealth na ang bahala doon i-discount. So, ito lang yung healthcare fund mo. So, the higher the plan, the higher benefits. Hindi lang naman ito ang plan na pwede mo pilihan. Plan K50, hindi lang ito. So, on maturity date or 28 year and onwards, long-term care benefits, guaranteed. Ito yung makukuha mo, guaranteed. 50,000. Unused accumulated yearly health benefit projected value, 175,000. So ito yung yung hindi mo nagamit yung 50,000 taon-taon sa loob ng 7 taon. Ibabalik ni Kaiser yan. Yan, 175,000 na 85% ng contract price mo. Total contract price ng Kaiser Plan K50. Tapos meron pang unused accumulated yearly health bonus na projected value, 134,875. At meron ka pang total unused accumulated yearly health benefits and bonus projected value na 223,209. So, ang total niyan, pag pinag-plus-plus mo yan, ito yun. Ito yung makukuha mo projected value sa 28 years. 583,084. Kapag walang nangyari sa'yo, hindi ka nagkasakit, hindi mo nagamit healthcare fund mo, malusog ka, healthy ka, at may short-term healthcare ka pang ginagamit, parang nag-iipon ka lang dito sa Kaiser, ito ang magiging investment mo on 28 year. So, anong pwedeng gawin sa 28 years na maturity date onwards? Ito yung option mo. You have the option to full withdraw, but your plan will be terminated also. Pwede mong withdrawin lahat, pero wala ka ng healthcare fund or health benefits. Terminated na kasi ginawa mo na lahat. Number 2, you have the option to keep your money in your Kaiser investment and earn 10% annually. So, hayaan mo lang. Hindi mo siya kinuha. Pinalagong pa ng pinalago. Pwede yun. Tapos, number 3, you have the option to withdraw yearly and the remaining fund will still earn 10% annually. Pwede mong withdrawin yung yung pakonti-konti. And then, hayaan mo lang tumubo ng 10% annually. Hindi mo kinuha lahat. Diba? And you have the option to withdraw 50%. Pwede yun. 50% ng investment mo, withdrawin mo, at hayaan mo lang na yung remaining, yung 50% ay meron ka pa rin Kaiser investment. At ito ay mag-earn ng 10% annually. Ano po? So, benefits at maturity or 28 year. Ano po? Or confinement. Benefits at maturity or 28 year onwards. So, ito yung mga benefits pa rin sa 28 year onwards. Inpatient services, hospitalization or confinement, outpatient services or consultation, pre-existing illnesses or condition, yan, covered ka pa rin. Annual physical examination, discount na lang po siya. Dental services, discount na lang po yan. So, maternity sa babae. Lifetime access to 2,000 accredited hospital and clinics. Yan. Kapag umabot ka pa ng 28 year onwards, meron ka pa rin ganitong makukuha. Ano po? Age 10 to 40, Kaiser Plan K50, projected value at age 60 and 65. Assuming na nag-start ka ng 30 years old ngayon at umabot ka ng 60 or 65 years old. Halimbawa, 60 years old, umabot ka ng 60 years old. Yung projected value mo, pagdating ng 60 years old, ay 1,512,370. Kung umabot ka pa ng 65 years old, hinayaan mo lang mag-invest. Pinalagong pa yung investment mo sa Kaiser, umabot ka pa ng 65 years old, projected value mo is 2,435,687. Ano po? Kaya kapag maaga ka nagsimula, mahaba ang pag-grow ng pera mo. Mahaba ang pagtatrabaho ng pera mo. Ano po? So, ayan po ang advantage ng pag-ipon ng maaga. To know more about Kaiser, comment #Kaiser and para masendan ka ng pre-quotation. Or kontakin mo yung tao nag-send dito sa'yo or i-message mo ako Nilo Padrelan sa FB account ko. Yun po yung Plan K50 para sa edad na 10 to 40 years old. Abangan nyo po yung aking susunod na upload para sa edad na 41 to 50 years old na plan. Follow me for more at mag-comment ka ng #Kaiser to know more at para masendan ka ng pre-quotation. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more.